Welcome back to the channel. If you've been dreaming of a living space that feels like a 5-star hotel suite but your budget is telling a different story, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the art of high-end style for less. We're breaking down the specific design secrets that make a room look expensive, without the designer price tag. Let's get started. The quickest way to elevate a room is through a curated color palette that establishes a cohesive and sophisticated atmosphere. High-end interior design often leans into the concept of monochromatic layering, a technique where various shades, tints, and tones of a single hue are used to create depth without introducing visual clutter. For a timeless and expensive aesthetic, prioritize a base of soft creams, warm taupes, or moody charcoal grays. The secret to mastering this look lies in the strategic mixing of textures. To prevent a monochromatic space from feeling flat or sterile, you must introduce tactile variety. Pair a plush velvet sofa with a chunky wool knit throw, a sleek Carrara marble coffee table, and perhaps a hand-knotted jute rug or brushed brass accents. This interplay of light-absorbing and light-reflecting surfaces creates a multidimensional visual richness that signals intentionality and high-level craftsmanship. If you are working with existing furniture and a limited budget, a fresh coat of paint in a sophisticated muted tone, such as a dusty sage, weathered slate, or grayish, can completely recalibrate the energy of the room for the cost of a single gallon. Opting for a matte or eggshell finish can further enhance the designer feel by providing a soft, velvety appearance that hides wall imperfections and interacts beautifully with both natural and artificial lighting. In professional interior design, scale refers to the size of an object in relation to the space it occupies. When items are too small for a room, it creates a visual disconnect known as the dollhouse effect, where the furniture and decor appear to be floating aimlessly, making the environment feel disjointed and inexpensive. By prioritizing larger, intentional pieces, you create a sense of permanence and architectural intent. 1. The foundation, large-scale area rugs. A common error is purchasing a rug that is too small, e.g., a 5x7 in a large living room. This chops up the floor space and makes the room appear smaller. The all legs on rule. For a truly luxurious feel, choose a rug large enough, typically 8x10 or 9x12, so that all legs of the sofa and chairs sit comfortably on the rug. This defines the seating area as a singular, cohesive zone. The front legs compromise. If a massive rug isn't feasible, ensure at least the front 2 legs of all seating furniture rest on the rug. This anchors the pieces and prevents the rug from looking like a floating island in the center of the room. Visual continuity. A larger rug draws the eyes to the perimeter of the furniture arrangement, creating the illusion of more square footage. Point 2. Wall presence, statement art versus clutter. While gallery walls are popular, they often contribute to visual noise if not executed perfectly. A single, oversized piece of art simplifies the visual landscape. Creating a focal point, a large canvas, at least 24 by 36 inches or larger, acts as an anchor for the wall, drawing the eye immediately and setting the tone for the room's color palette and mood. Proportions. Ideally, a piece of art should take up roughly 60% to 75% of the available wall space above a piece of furniture, like a sofa or sideboard. Luxury perception. Large-scale art is associated with galleries and high-end estates, instantly elevating the perceived value of the home. Point 3. The DIY high-end aesthetic, textured plaster art. Achieving a designer look does not require a designer budget. The plaster-on-canvas trend is a favorite among interior stylists for adding organic texture. Sourcing materials. Visit thrift stores for large, outdated framed art. You are looking for the frame and the sturdy backing, not the original image. The technique: apply a layer of common joint compound or plaster of Paris to a canvas using a putty knife or trowel. Create peaks, ridges, or minimalist waves to add depth. Once dry, paint the entire piece in a matte neutral tone, like alabaster, sand, or charcoal. The result: this mimics the look of expensive, heavy-bodied abstract commissions found in luxury showrooms. Point 4. Expanding scale beyond decor. To fully master the expensive look, apply the principle of scale to other elements. Lighting: swap out standard builder-grade fixtures for oversized pendant lights or chandeliers. A light fixture that feels slightly too big for the space often adds a dramatic, high design flair. Furniture volume: instead of several small chairs, opt for one deep, substantial sofa. Fewer, larger pieces of furniture make a room feel less cluttered and more curated. Window treatments: hang curtain rods higher and wider than the actual window frame. This scales up the window, making the ceilings feel taller and the windows appear more grand. In the realm of interior design, the transformative power of lighting cannot be overstated. Standard builder-grade overhead fixtures, often disparagingly referred to as boob lights, are notorious for producing flat, unflattering illumination that diminishes the architectural character of a room. To elevate a space, these should be replaced with sculptural chandeliers or sleek, modern pendants that serve as a visual focal point. However, true sophistication lies in layered lighting. By incorporating floor lamps, table lamps, and task lighting at eye level, you eliminate harsh shadows and create a multi-dimensional, inviting atmosphere. Aim for warm color temperatures, typically 2700 K to 3000 K, to enhance the sense of comfort. Beyond illumination, the tactile details of a home dictate its perceived quality. Generic cabinet pulls and door handles are functional but often lack aesthetic intent. Swapping these for high-contrast materials like unlacquered brass, which develops a beautiful patina over time, or matte black hardware, which offers a contemporary edge, provides an immediate custom look. This process, often called a micro-renovation, requires minimal technical skill and a small financial investment, yet it significantly enhances the finished feel and resale value of a property by signaling attention to detail and craftsmanship. The final stage of interior transformation lies in the art of styling, a process that prioritizes intentionality over accumulation. Achieving a high-end aesthetic requires a shift in perspective, viewing surfaces not as storage areas, but as curated stages. By systematically clearing visual clutter, you create negative space, which allows the eye to rest and redirects focus toward the architectural details and premium materials of your home. Elegance is defined by restraint. It is the deliberate act of editing out the unnecessary to ensure that every remaining object serves a purpose or evokes a specific emotion. Mastering the meaningful vignette. A vignette is a small, concentrated arrangement that tells a story or establishes a mood. To create a professional-grade display, utilize the rule of 3, grouping objects in odd numbers to create visual interest and balance. Verticality and scale. Incorporate items of varying heights to prevent the arrangement from looking flat. Use a tall, oversized ceramic or glass vase to provide a vertical anchor, contrasting it with lower, horizontal elements. Textural contrast. Mix materials such as matte ceramics, polished metals, and organic wood to add depth. The essential styling trio. Literature as decor. A stack of 3 to 5 oversized coffee table books serves as a foundational pedestal. Select volumes with spines that complement your room's color palette. These books should reflect your genuine interests, be it architecture, photography, or travel. To ensure the space feels authentic rather than staged, organic elements, fresh greenery acts as a living sculpture. A single, large-scale branch, such as olive, magnolia, or eucalyptus, provides an organic silhouette that softens the hard lines of furniture. Unlike small floral arrangements, oversized greenery creates a sense of grandeur and brings the outdoors in, improving air quality and psychological well-being. Sensory layering. A signature scent is the invisible layer of interior design. Whether through hand-poured soy candles, reed diffusers, or high-end room sprays, a consistent olfactory profile, such as sandalwood, bergamot, or crisp linen, creates a cohesive atmosphere that lingers in the memory of guests, signaling a cared-for and luxurious environment. Surface management and maintenance. To maintain this elevated look, adopt a one-in, one-out policy for decorative objects. Keep primary surfaces, such as kitchen islands, mantels, and entry consoles, at least 60% clear. This ratio ensures that your high-quality pieces, whether an antique bowl or a designer lamp, have the breathing room necessary to be appreciated as focal points. By focusing on quality over quantity, you transform a house into a sophisticated sanctuary. Achieving a high-end look is about strategy, not just a credit card. I hope these ideas inspire you to refresh your space this week. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home styling secrets. Let me know in the comments, which of these tips are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.